Multifamily Mindset
podcast. Think bigger.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dallas Pruitt. This is the Daily Drip here on the MFM podcast. I have a few questions for everybody today. A few better questions, if you will, to pause and consider. The first is this: are you proving something to people? Are you in a state of proving? Or are you focused on improving? Another question is, what deficiencies are you trying to hide? Is this something you're doing? Or are you striving to overcome deficiencies? Also, what types of people are you surrounding yourself with every day? Are you focused on connecting with people who are going to shore up your self-esteem, and are you focused on them telling you the things you want to hear? Or are you focused on surrounding yourself with people who are great people challenging you to grow? Also, are you seeking out the tried and true, the guarantees? Or are you taking risks and stretching yourself? Are you seeking out new and challenging experiences? These are all better questions that will no doubt bring better results to your life. And they're questions that we don't think about often. The truth is this: the passion for stretching oneself and sticking to it, especially when it's not going well, this is the hallmark of the growth mindset. It's the mindset that allows you as a person, you as a leader, to thrive during some of the most challenging and difficult times of your life. So the invite today to follow up on these better questions is: stop proving if you are, and focus on improving. Stop hiding deficiencies if that's something you're doing, and instead choose to work on those deficiencies. Stop shoring up your self-esteem by surrounding yourself with people who will just tell you what you want to hear if this is something you are stuck in doing, and instead surround yourself with great people who will challenge you to grow. And if you are stuck in just doing or following through with the tried and true, instead seek out some experiences, some new experiences that will stretch you to learn new things. This is how you grow. This is how you are able to make the impact that you are truly capable of, by stretching yourself. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for joining us today on the podcast, and we will see you guys back here again tomorrow.